Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we're delighted to unveil the Kookaburra Kaa Kaa 2024 2-ounce silver antique coloured coin designed by myself, Kevin Bynder, accompanied by a number certificate of authenticity and housed in a display case and illustrated shipper. The coin portrays a painted representation of a kookaburra or Kaa Kaa and is known to the Nyoongar people of the southwestern Australia. The coin is struck from 2 ounce of 99.99% pure silver with coloured and antique surfaced treatments. The kookaburra features markings symbolising white ochre, a natural earth pigment which ancestors painted themselves when performing the kookaburra dreaming dance. Coloured dots in the background represent the changing of the Nyoongar seasons. Incorporated within the image is the P125 mint mark signifying the Perth Mint's 125th anniversary and the 2024 year date. Issued as an Australian legal tender, the coin bears a Dan Thorne effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the weight, purity and monetary denomination. With only 2,000 of these exclusive Kaa Kaa coins available, visit the Perth Mint shop or order online at perthmint.com to avoid disappointment.